Today, scientists at the NIH announced that monkeys who were kept on a calorie-restricted diet lived no longer than monkeys who were fed a normal diet. This in contrast to a study done several years ago which showed that monkeys on a calorie-restricted diet lived longer. Well, it turns out that 2009 study from the University of Wisconsin was flawed, and when all the monkeys were included, in fact, they all lived about the same amount of time. Since the 1930s, people have made various remarks in laboratories showing that rats, worms, fruit flies, yeast lived longer if they were calorie restricted. But in the 1960s, a scientist by the name of Leonard Hayflick showed that human cells, when cultured, would reproduce 50 times, go into a senescent period, and die. And he, by the way, was the first one to notice that the telomere length decreased with every cell cycle doubling. Well, the bottom line is, as we now look at the data, it does not appear that calorie restriction leads to longer life. Obesity leads to a shorter life, but restricting the calories does not necessarily mean you will live longer. It was a little too simplistic and too hopeful to think that we had found that secret to aging. The bottom line is, correlation doesn't equal causation, and as much as we want to believe something simple as diet leads to longevity, it probably doesn't. Please read about it on my blog at YourDoctorsOrders.com. For Your Doctor's Orders, I'm Dr. Terry Simpson. Eat well, but not too much. Good day.